Here we are on a Saturday night, and we are in one of our favourite places, and this area has been one of my favourite places since I was a very young girl, and we've driven about 2 hours to be here, and we've brought along this beautiful doll that I've had for quite some time. And
We're sitting under this massive tree.
It's a beautiful tree, very old. It's huge. And this doll is very unique. She's a fairy doll. She's a very large fairy doll.
And tonight we're going to try and investigate her to see if there is any attachment, because she is from a deceased estate.
I love how the fingers are so dainty, like they sort of just, one side they go down, the other side they sort of go out. It's like she's prancing around. She's beautifully made.
And who's this video for?
This is for Candy. Hello, Candy. And Candy has taken a liking to this doll. She absolutely loves her. She can't stop thinking about her. And as much as I love this doll, and I have always loved her in my collection, I'm more than happy to now part with her, because if someone else can get some enjoyment from her and loves her so much, I'm more than happy to let someone else have her. So Candy wants to give her a new home.
The thing is, we haven't investigated this doll yet, have we?
We haven't.
No. So tonight will be the first time. So we have a REM pod here. Oh, look! It's actually showing some signs of life.
It's very interesting.
0.9, 0.8, 9, standing at a 0.9 and 8.
So Candy saw her in one of the old videos, and this doll was in the background in my doll room, and she inquired about her, and well, basically this doll, she's been in my doll room for a very, very long time, and a lot of things happen in my home. So I can't really say there's an attachment to the doll. I do feel like she's got a certain energy, but I haven't really had a chance to really tap into it, to be honest.
The thing is, once we send this to Candy, she can help us investigate her. She can help us determine who or what is actually with her.
And I'm unsure if it's actually human, and I'm not just saying that because it's a fairy doll. As you can see, the ears are quite pointy and she's very dainty, but oh, listen to that chime. The midnight hour. Fairy power.
It's strange because there's such a high thing on there. Because that just doesn't happen.
It's like fluctuating.
Yeah, because that's on 8 at the moment, 0.8, 0.9.
Just as you start talking as well.
Thing is, I don't think we've had such a strong reaction with the Mel Meter. Oh, well, no, we did. We did with the demon doll.
The demon doll.
Oh, yeah, the demon doll was going up.
Room.
Yeah, that was going up like 1.3 and higher. That's a 1. That's a 0.7.
Oh, 6.
Yeah, so it seems to be going up and down. So it seems that the doll has an energy to it, for sure.
Yeah, and that's what I've sort of felt just by looking at her. You can kind of sense it. She's definitely got an energy, but yeah, it's a different kind of energy. Whether or not it's a nature spirit, like an elemental, I'm not sure. I really don't know. But if anyone knows, or if you feel anything, if you see anything, I would absolutely love it if you let us know.
Or even if you hear anything on the video, if you hear any things that we don't hear, like maybe you might hear an EVP that we don't hear, let us know. More ears are better than 4. More is better than 4.
Mm-hmm. It's down to 0.7, 0.6. It's whenever you talk about it, well, if you bring it up, that's when it starts fluctuating.
Can we turn the flash off while we're recording?
I'm not sure. Don't know on that one. Try.
Oh yeah.
That's different to the other one.
Oh, keeps going up. 6 and 7. 8. If there's a spirit in this doll, can you try and make the number go higher? Can you try and make it go up to 10? Or what about 9? Can you try and make it go to 9? Almost. What about 9? If you can make it go to 1.0, that'd be great. I understand if you don't have too much energy. You can take some of mine if you like. Just to get to that 9 or 1.0.
I feel like she's saying it's like being at home. It's similar to home.
Mm. Well, maybe Chris can help us with this one.
Absolutely. Chris, what do you think? Because I really have no idea with this one. I don't know. I just feel like it's something different. She really is a very unique doll.
quite lovely.
Anyway, Candy, I hope you love this doll and have a lot of enjoyment from her. She's quite a large doll, so I'm gonna probably struggle to try and find a box to put her in. But you're gonna love her anyway. So enjoy.